Hello, today I'm going to show you how to activate the microwave in the new radioactive facility map, whatever it is. Okay? You have anything to say? You're gonna need a thing that you want to make with wobbly, or well, I put it in the thing and it got wobbly, but it's supposed to shrink. So it's take your item and put it in a bag, okay? And now let's just go over to the map. Wait, we don't actually have to go and get the giant valve. We don't. And you see, don't touch this thing, because you're gonna get radioactivity on your watch. And then if you get too much radioactivity, I'm pretty sure you're gonna start taking damage. And then
death is part of life.
If you find one of these stations, you can wash off your radioactivity.
You only postpone the inevitable.
And this thing is going to take away all of your gear, but that's okay. You just go into one of the rooms and grab a key card. And then activate, and then scan the key card. Click off. And then so you can get your money back. Wait.
Here you go. I brought this for you.
I can't grab it. Wait, what? I can't.
Death is part of life for backpacks too.
Wait, where's my light? Oh. Oh my gosh. Wow! Please stand by. Okay, got it. Okay, let's go! Bring.
Ah!
That's what you get for hitting me.
Scream.
Yo, what's back here, bro? I've never been in this room. Yo! I just found
It's called a bathroom.
I found the tape.
Oh.
Okay,
very hidden.
We're going to grab this.
Mine is broken. Where'd you put it?
Wait.
Point to it.
Okay, so wait, what?
Why is mine broken?
Okay, so we have the reactor facility. Okay, so wait, then what's here? What's this one? Comment if you know where the one for this and this is, because I don't know.
I'm going to try. I will be there 1 second.
Okay, so we're gonna go on without it, because this is pretty easy to do. Just don't click these buttons, because you're gonna run out of fuel if you click on the buttons. And now you have to get all of these uraniums. And it says that the uranium, it says right there, that the uranium equals energy, and you have to put it in a box. And that box is right over here. I don't know if you can fall in and die, but throw the uranium in there and get the fuel tank to 100%. And it's okay to touch the radioactive stuff in here because there's a washing. So it's okay. if your meter goes all the way up, then I'm pretty sure you're gonna start taking damage. I'm gonna test that. I'm gonna show you what your screen looks like. Your screen also changes color the more radioactive you are. Okay, yeah, so you do have to get a little bit more than to the line, because it's gonna spend energy every time you what is it? Wait, what is this?
That's my shield. I brought it with me to protect me from the uranium.
Oh, because it's gonna spend every time you launch a battery. So
Eat my shield!
once you have your bar filled up to however much you want it to be, you go into this elevator and you ride the elevator down to the ground. And then you're going to come to the microwave. And once you're at the microwave, that's the exit, you're gonna go this way in order to, I'm at the battery room. And then you can plug this in whenever you want, but yeah, so you have to plug this cord into this thing. And sometimes it's a little bit hard, but you can do it pretty fast. I just get it lined up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just get it in. Yeah. And then once you get it in the thing, you're gonna go into the battery room. And that vault door up there, just in case you're wondering, because I got really confused by this. So there's a vault door on the other side. That's just a shortcut to the uranium deposit center over there. And this is the real thing. Okay, I'm in the battery room. Tell me the codes.
A yellow battery. Hold on, I'm going to record this part too so they can see what it looks like from my side.
That's a good idea.
Okay, I see you on the map. I'm going to send you one
Yellow battery that's going to go into B6. B as in boy, 6.
Right here. Send me the battery. Okay.
Alright, there it is.
Then you are going to go into the crane, and these are your controls. This brings it closer, left, forward, right, and left. Simple. So go close to you. Go over to it. Go a little bit forward. Click it. And now you can bring yourself up.
You might not be able to reach B6 from that one. You'll have to move it most of the way across.
Don't drop it on your head or you will die. And if you do die, just know I will forget about you very quickly.
Right. Yeah, so if I drop it here, it's gonna go in there. So gotta put it a little bit further. Okay, yeah, I can drop it there. Screen. Where is B6 is right there, you see it? So I just have to bring
Closer
it.
to you? Stop. Right there. Perfect.
So I just have to bring it right over. And then to drop it, click the button. That one's good.
Good job. I'm going to send you a green one that goes into E7. E7, as in everyone dies 7.
Okay, I'm gonna have to... That's great. Oh yeah, that's great. I might have to do another switcheroo.
Well, put it into E3 instead. Green can also go into E3, which is on your side. That's E as in everyone slowly dies, slowly every single day of their life, they get closer and closer to death. 3.
Oh yeah, wait, where is E3? Oh yeah, E3's right here, so I can put it here.
Forward a little bit more and a little bit to your left.
There?
Just a little to your left. Right there, good.
Yes! Got it. I'm ready for the next one.
What?
What's the next?
This is the one that goes into E, everyone dies 7.
Got it. Okay, now, once you do all 4,
Success.
those things are going to light up. And
We've got 5752.31 gigawatts of power in the microwave.
And then make sure that this thing is plugged in. Then the microwave won't work if it is not plugged. Over here to the microwave. And whichever item you want to wibbly wobbly jubilee.
I want a wibbly wobbly sword.
Oh, you want that one?
Yes.
Okay, so put it in.
Become wibbly, my sword. Become wobbly.
Wait, let's put it right in the middle. Then you have to close the door. No, wrong way, bruh. You can also do it, yeah, like this, like.
No, it's too strong. Get your sword on the other side of it.
Wait, nah, let's pull it together. Pull.
Push. There you go. Oh, good shot.
All the way up. Then you click the button. And then it starts. Okay. And then click button. Wait, is it wibbly wobbly? It's wibbly.
It is wibbly and wobbly.
Yes.
Wibbly. Wobbly.
Now we both have wibbly wobblies. Alright, this one isn't what's Okay.
Can we wibbly wobbly a person?
Maybe. Wait, the light's still on. Wibbly wobbly.
You want to become wibbly wobbly?
Yes. Okay, guys.
Wibbly wobbly.
Wibbly wobbly. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, wibbly wobbly. Wibbly wobbly. Okay, that will be the end for today's video. So, goodbye. Hey. Hey, stop hitting me. Ow, that hurt. Stop hitting me. Okay, bye.